every single person is trading meme coins, but I stopped trading and I started launching them. Now my Phantom wallet's sitting at $6.8 million, and I'm going to show you how I made it all by deving meme coins. Now, if you guys did not know already, 98% of people are actually trading meme coins, and the other 2% are actually deving them. That's a fact, and that's why I switched to deving, because it's way more profitable. I am going to explain why. When I first started, I was like everyone else. I was trading, I was buying coins, and obviously I was losing money, because every single time I traded a meme coin, well, I got dumped on, just like this coin right here. Basically, I would buy in here, and here, and then after a couple more minutes, I lost all my money. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario right here happened to a couple of you guys. And that's exactly why I stopped trading and I switched to the dark side, because that's when I realized the real profits do not come from trading, they come from launching. That's a fucking fact, like I said, because when you launch, you own the chart, the story, and the supply. You are creating the coin for $0 out of your own pocket. $0, bro. That's insane. You wait for buyers and then you dump it. That's how it works, and that's what we're going to do in today's video. You cannot lose because it's your coin, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your very first meme coin. Obviously turn $0 into like 1k or something, I'm not sure, right? And bro, I'm going to show you guys the whole process and show you that it works even though the crypto markets are down. And by the way, bro, this whole video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. It's all to help you understand the strategy. Cap! Now, a lot of people, when they come into deving meme coins, they go directly to Pump.Fun because they think that this launchpad is the best launchpad to launch your meme coins, but that's completely false because nowadays Pump.Fun is way too overflooded now. Thousands of coins are flooding the site every single day, and most coins die before they're even noticed. That's why I stopped launching coins here. And on top of that, bro, your coin has to reach a $95,000 market cap, I believe, for it to be immediately migrated to the Radium DEX. That takes too much time, and it's almost impossible for people like you and me, for example. And also, bro, you do not even control your own liquidity, which means even if you make money on this website, you don't even fucking have the option to cash out that money. That's fucking ass, and that's why I switched to create token.Io, because this website is completely different. This launchpad is an actual cheat code, and that's why I switched. All your coins launches directly onto the Radium DEX. They get immediately fucking migrated, and buyers can trade it in seconds. You keep full control of your liquidity, okay? You get a shit ton of exposure for your coin since it goes directly to Radium, which will be right here, right? And it will be viewed by tens and thousands of fucking trenchers, even more depending on what day, on how the volume is going, stuff like that. And you control everything from the profits to everything. That's why I use this launchpad. Now here's the whole process step by step on how to make a meme coin. The first method, right? By the way, there's two different methods, but the first method is to create a coin from scratch. Now, first of all, you have to pick your meme. So go on X, go on Instagram, go on YouTube, or go on Google and type in news and then find an article, right? And then, yeah. So look for something trending. It could be a meme. It could be something funny. It could be something going viral, right? For example, Chill Guy, the Trump coin. There's a bunch of different fucking narratives. Let me see if I could find something decent though. Like, okay, this is kind of funny, this meme right here. Yeah, bro, you get the gist, you get the example. Once you have a good narrative, right, come back to create token.Io, invent a name, create a symbol, and then add a quick image for the meme coin logo. And just like that, bro, your coin is custom created and it's fucking live. That's how you make a coin. But the second method, bro, is my favorite one and is the most profitable in 2025 by far, and that's by copying trending coins that are going viral, that are getting traction, and all of that. Now these are all already trending on Pump.Fun, and your job is to copy one coin from this list and launch it instantly to Radium. And because all of these coins already have traffic and attention, you will get immediate buyers and faster profits, more traction for your meme coin. Copying coins for me is my personal favorite because that's how you build up a portfolio brick by brick. I'm going to do a quick example. Okay, enough talking. Let's actually launch a coin right now, live on camera, without fucking cutting, editing, nothing, okay? All raw. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, then click on the refresh list button, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go for something just simple and clean, right? That can attract buyers. I'm gonna go with the Aura coin. It's king of the hill. It has it last by 2 minutes ago, and a 33.5k market cap, so click on create coin. And then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Every single person is gonna get this warning. Just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and obviously the coin should be created shortly. Just wait. Boom. No. Boom. If I go on view on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live. This is enough proof to prove to you guys that the website is legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is where it all happens. We're adding / creating the liquidity pool so your token instantly becomes tradable on Radium and buyers can jump in right away. That's the beauty of creating your own liquidity pool. You own everything. Now the token A, okay, you just have to click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens and you are keeping 100 million tokens inside your Phantom wallet. Right under 40 token B, this is your first move into your own market. You are not losing any SOL. It's just locked in temporarily to kickstart your chart. The minimum for the first buy is 0.3 SOL, and once you pull out the liquidity later, every single bit of that SOL will come back straight back inside your Phantom wallet. So you have nothing to lose. You simply have to fund the first buy. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the Aura coin is on live. Our profits are at $0 and there's 900 million tokens pulled in. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your profits right here, you guys will see that your fucking piano will go up because people are now buying our coin on Memescope, okay? Because like I said, it's on the Radium Dex and it will be viewed to tens and thousands of people. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart. You can also go on Axum or other places. It's all up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. And now it's live. We already have like a bunch of buyers coming in. Okay, the volume is fucking immaculate. Okay, now it's going down a bit. That is expected. Now once again, bro, do not be emotional since you created this coin for completely free. $62. Come on, one more big buy to fucking push this coin higher. Come on, one more big buy, bro. It's edging me. Why is it edging me, bro? Just one more big buy, bro. $1? Bro, who's just buying for $1, bro? I just want, bro. Why is it edging me, bro? Oh my god, bro! We just got a big buy! Oh my god! It's pumping! I want to dump this coin right now, bro. Watch! Come on, come on. I'm going to give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back. And once again, bro, when I am back in like 2 seconds, we are going to make some money. You guys will see how. Let's see. Okay guys, I am back and it looks like the coin is fucking peaking. Now we are at a $4,000 market cap and we are pushing 1.8k. We just hit 1.8k in liquidity. That's good. Before it goes down, come back to create tokens.io. Then obviously click on the refresh button. And now as you guys can see, we are now up $1.82,000 with a 1.84k market liquidity. So click on the minus button, do 100%, and obviously we want to remove everything, so remove the money right here. And now as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 12 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how we dev meme coins and make obviously some generational bread. If I open the Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1,900 went straight inside my Phantom wallet, and it's all real, bro, without any excuses. Excuses, bro. You guys need to tap in, bro. It's actually a cheat code. And obviously, bro, if you want to win 3 souls like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my Telegram my Discord, and follow me on X on below. And now, bro, enjoy the fucking show.